Hi, this is Jatin, and welcome back to our podcast series of Creative Homes. So, today we have our guest Misbah from Azizi Developers. Hi, Misbah, how are you?
Hi Jatin, thank you for having me. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that Creative Homes has been one of our finest channel partners at Azizi Developments, and it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
So, thank you, Misbah, for coming. Let's start our podcast.
Sure.
So, $1 million question: why Dubai?
Well, the reasons are endless, and me being a proud Dubai resident, my answer may be a little biased. But if I have to highlight the most relevant reasons, I think the key factors are safety and stability, tax benefits, you have world class infrastructure, high rental returns, and Dubai's strategic location connecting the east and west. I think these create a very unique environment that continue to attract people, businesses, and investments from across the globe.
So, yes, that was very informative. Now, the second question, of course, why Azizi?
So, Azizi is one of the leading developers in Dubai, as we know, with close to 2 decades of experience. We have delivered more than 45,000 homes, and more than 150,000 units are under development. We are an established developer with a large portfolio with projects in almost all the prime locations of Dubai, be it Jaddaf, Medan, Trade Center area along Sheikh Zayed Road, Sports City, Studio City, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai South. You name it, we have it. And we have something for every budget and investment objective. That said, I think what truly sets Azizi apart is our flexible payment plans and lowest entry prices. It's rare for a top tier developer to offer opportunities with a 25/75 payment plan, making real estate investment in Dubai available for a wider audience.
So, according to you, what do you think? Why clients should invest now?
So many investors wait for the perfect time to invest, but I believe most often the perfect opportunity is often found before the market reaches its full potential. I believe and the growth that we have seen in the last decade is phenomenal. Although compared to many global real estate markets such as New York, London, and Singapore, we are still a relatively young market, and Dubai is still in a major growth phase. It's in a phase where investors can participate in the growth as the city continues to develop.
What do you think? What type of investors are best suited for Azizi?
So we have properties suited for every individual and every requirement. We have the first time investors under 1 million, luxury buyers. We have options like Burj Azizi, which is said to be the second tallest tower of the world. We have Azizi Venice, and we have Monaco Mansions, where we have a huge mansion starting from 45 million goes up to 250 million. Then we also have the long-term investors, where people are looking for capital appreciation and stable and long-term rental returns.
So, Misbah, here your experience count, as you are so experienced and has seen Dubai in all their phases. What do you suggest for a first-time investor? Where should they start from?
I think choosing a reliable brokerage such as yourself is half the battle won. I think a good advisor will save you a lot of time, confusion, and costly mistakes. That said, if the investor has to personally start with the first step, budget planning I think is the first way to go, choosing the location and choosing a reputed developer.
That was very informative.
Thank
and generally, Misbah, what do your clients ask mostly?
I mostly get asked by investors on the location, which area and which developer offer the best long-term value. I think what they want to understand is if that's a right decision and is the developer trustworthy.
So, Misbah, can we trust the developer behind it?
Of course, because in Dubai, all the developers are regulated by DLD. So with DLD, what happens is there's an escrow account for every project. Whatever money you invest goes towards the escrow account. So this is the safest form of investment one can make.
So, Misbah, any closing lines for our viewers?
Well, I'd say when you buy a property, You're buying more than just the unit. Yes, you can have the fancy marble flooring. Yes, you can have the beautiful cove lighting. A fully furnished apartment is good too. But whether you invested right is determined by the location, the developer, the community, and the long term vision behind it. Do you see this community growing in the coming years? Is the location in demand? I think investors who focus on those fundamentals tend to make the right decision.
So that was a very informative session. Thank you so much, Misbah, for
Thank you
coming
for
and
having
taking
me,
our
Jatin.
time. Thank you.